Hello, my dear friends. This is Linda Mavave coming to you from WebPoint 24. And what is going on? It is Wednesday, wonderful Wednesday, wealthy Wednesday, hooray Wednesday, you name it. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how we create our lead magnets here at WebPoint 24. Our lead magnets are just very simple and yet very, very effective. A lot of times people ask me, well, how do I create professional looking lead magnets that will allow my audience to be persuaded to give you their email address in exchange for the lead magnet? You know, there are a lot of tools. We've talked on this page about Canva. Last week, I spoke to you about Photopea. All these are free tools that you can use. So there's no excuse for our graphics to look shabby at all. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a tool that we use here at WebPoint 24 to create our lead magnets. It's a tool that within 10 minutes, you can have a PDF that's looking very professional, and that's what we use here at WebPoint 24. So let's dive right in, and I am going to be sharing my screen. There we go. Let's share this screen, and I will take you to that tool. And if you want to know more about that tool, I've put the description in the link. So let's go to the screen. This is the tool that we use here at WebPoint 24. So as you can see, this tool is called Designer, and I've already logged in, so I'm going to go into it. So this is the tool, and I'll be upfront with you, my dear friends. This is a tool that is not on a monthly basis. It's only $27 one-time fee, and you're done. But it will allow you to create those awesome lead magnets. For $27, you cannot beat it, okay? $27 is not a whole lot of money. I know some of you are wearing shoes that are worth more than $27. So let's create a new project. As you can see, this is the interface. Okay, it's got new project, this is just a sample. It says here, select a new project. You can go ahead and do that, or you can just click this button and it says create a new page. As you can see, these are some of the features that are outlined. You can import a document from the blog. You can import a document from Word. You can import a document from Google, or you can start from scratch. You can also import a document just from a blog post. Okay, you can import a document from a blog post. Now, if you take the upgrade, they also have an upgrade. You can also go to a Facebook page and import information from your Facebook page. As you can see, these features on mine are locked because I just have the basic. I don't have the upgrade. For the upgrade, we use a different software. So with this software, with the upgrade, you can merge drafts. You can create a flip video, which is really good for someone who's creating an ebook. You can import from a podcast, which I think is great. And what I like about the upgrade, I've only seen it in action. I haven't used it myself because I use a different tool for that. That you can actually get information from any of your YouTube videos. You can take your information from a YouTube video, put it into PDF format, and voila, you create a lead magnet. And it can be any video. It doesn't necessarily have to be your own YouTube channel. Okay, and you can import from another PDF, or guess what? You can import from any video. So let's just say if you want the captions on a video, you can bring the video, it removes the captions and puts that in booklet form, which I think is very handy for anyone who's like us. We run an agency. We do, uh, certain things like that for our clients. Okay. So that's just some of the features of this tool. So for example, here, let's just say we are going to import from a blog post. Let's go and import from a blog post. Now, the blog post that I like to use, let me see. let's go to a social media blog that is very useful that I like to use. Okay, so this is it's called Social Media Examiner. It's a very, very good website for any of you who are into social media marketing and so forth. There's tons and tons of stuff. Very, very good ideas. Okay, so these are all some of the. So let's say, for example, I should say some of the blog posts. How to run Facebook ads for local business, driving foot traffic. This is very much along the lines of what I do on a daily basis. Not only do we create websites for clients, but we want traffic to come to the business. So all you do is you go and take the URL. So I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to go back into Designer and we just come here and we're going to paste. And we're going to say fetch, and it's going to do its work, and it's going to fetch the blog post, that particular blog post. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, it's finished. Then you just click next. You just click next. It says, great. Now let's pick a template. So you see, you can create your own template, or there are some templates that have already been created for you. So you can use those templates. So since we are looking at something, concerning digital marketing, let's choose a digital marketing one. Let's choose a digital marketing one. Let's just choose this one. Let's use this one as our template. Okay, we'll use that one as our template. So voila, here it is. Here's the article. Okay, so all you do, this is already the cover. As you can see, things are beginning to look great. As you can see, let's say if I decide, okay, I'm going to write that this was compiled by Web 24. For example, I'm just going to compile it. I'm not going to change a whole lot of stuff. But all this, you can see, I can go and remove this social media examiner. I can go and remove it. Okay. Now, keep in mind that I'm not saying I wrote this article. I just compiled it. So it's not plagiarism, because what I will do at the end of the article, I will say, the original article comes from such, and I will mention the blog. Okay, so I'm just compiling information. And let's say, for example, I want to change the image here. All I have to do is go to the media manager and I'm going to look for another picture. So I'm going to just use our own logo here at WebPoint 24. It seems like maybe the file might be too big. Okay, there it is. And as you can see, all this information, I can just go and remove it if I don't want it to be seen. Okay, let me see. Okay, so here's our, we included, okay, so this is an image. We've just included the image and we keep going. I don't want this social media thing coming on, so I'm going to remove that. Voila. I'm just using this for teaching purposes. If I wanted to remove this page, I would just go and click on this X and the whole page will be deleted. Okay, but in this case, we're just going to keep moving along. Okay, so this is a great article. So this article is showing you how to set up a Facebook ad step by step. Okay, so you can imagine if you wanted to give this to a client who says, I want something on how to run Facebook ads. So let's just come here to the very end. Let's say we're done. Okay, that's about it. That's about it. Okay, so let's just say we're done with our article. We're done with it. We're just going to hit publish. Okay, let's just say web design. Let's just say web design. Okay, export. Okay, this might take longer because it was quite a bit of a project. Okay. So it looks like, okay. And voila, here it is. Okay, here is the PDF. So now it's converted it to a PDF. Okay, and with my own design, okay, it's cut it off here. I could just go and edit it. I could just go back and edit it. So here's the PDF. So this is what your client will see. And you can say, okay, I created a PDF for you, or you can create a lead magnet for your clients or for your target audience. This is what you can make. This can take 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Now, especially if you already have your article in Word, you just import it, bring it to Designer, put in some images, put in your own your name. Of course, if it's your original article, put in your name, you're done. Your lead magnet is ready. You didn't have to try and resize things and so forth, but it's just ready because the template is given to you. So let me stop sharing. If you have any questions about, if you have any questions concerning what I have just covered, please let us know in the comments what you're thinking. What do you think about the tool? And maybe share with us what you are using to design your own lead magnets. Why is it important to design a lead magnet in the first place? Having a lead magnet will allow you to create your email list faster. Okay, because a lot of people now on the internet, we're used to the idea that I give you my email address in exchange for you giving me maybe a PDF, a bonus, or anything like that. So to just simply ask your audience to say, oh, just give me your email address so that I can grow my email list, you probably might get 2 or 3 people to sign up. But if you have a very attractive lead magnet, you will have more people that are more likely to sign up in exchange, for your email address. So tomorrow I'm going to be expounding how we actually then use the email magnet as we put it into our autoresponder and what autoresponder you want to consider using. There's MailChimp, there's a free version, there's Aweber, GetResponse, or you can use, SMTP. Is it STMP? I think it's STMP. Sorry if I got it the other way around. And then use softwares like Mailgun, SendGrid, and so forth. So we're going to discuss that in tomorrow's video, why you would need an autoresponder. Okay, why you would need an autoresponder in order to grow your email list. Okay, so anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I will chat with you again sometime soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.